Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add caption to your Instagram story. So the Instagram has put out a new update where you can add captions to your voice within the app automatically. So the first step is you have to make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version, and once you have updated your Instagram, all you have to do is open the Instagram. So over here you can see the option for story. Click over here, and now you have to shoot your video with the audio as well. So now you have done that, just click on this sticker option, and here you can see the option for caption, but it is not available in my country. But if you have available over there, you can just click on caption and your caption will be generated automatically. So that is how you can add caption to your Instagram story. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.